Hey everyone. I wished I could have made the group meeting on Wednesday. I hit that window of about 4 hours with no cell service. I was right in the middle of that discussion you guys had. Wished I could have been there and presented with you guys. I'm home now and everything. I was able to make it safe and sound. But for this presentation, my project, I was wanting to improve upon my health and then also strengthen my family and become a little more spiritual. I was hoping that these goals would help me balance my life a little bit better with work and church and family. So with that, I'll jump into my goals. So I set some basic goals for reading scriptures, so that would help with the new edition with this Come Follow Me, studying as a family. And I'm starting my own electrical business next year, and I was trying to get my admin done while this semester at school. So I was trying to set apart time to kind of work on it. And then the next one was listening to uplifting things, either podcasts or talks or any kind of self-improvement things. And then I had another goal of trying to check on my accountability partners, and I started off really good checking on them, but as it progressed, it got a little more difficult. Number of you guys trying to keep in contact. I was lucky to keep in contact once a week. And then my weekly goal was to work out at least 2 times a week. Because of the schedule, this is going to work pretty good because I'm a ski coach out there at the ski club with my boys. And I do that twice a week. So for the most part, I was able to do that, except for near the end when the snow melted. So I didn't get as much working out done near the end of the semester here. But overall, I really enjoyed this class and really enjoyed doing these goals. It wasn't perfect. If I didn't complete the goal or the task, I was supposed to do a project for my wife or something like that, some kind of active service, and which was usually every week because I usually have to do stuff for my wife. So maybe it wasn't difficult enough to convince me not to follow through with my goals, but I tried. I really like the scripture one. That's something that I struggle with, and I've struggled with a lot of my life. But I really liked having that goal. It forced me to even listening to scriptures for a few minutes, either while I'm getting ready in the morning or on the drive commute or something. And I really feel like that goal really helped me out. But thanks for watching, guys, and I had a great semester and had a great group, and enjoyed meeting with you guys every week. And good luck on all your endeavors. I know a lot of you are all nearing the end of school, and thank you. Have a great time.